Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RideNexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at a stunning custom widebody Toyota Grandi SUV concept. Discussion on the widebody kit, massive flared wheel arches, and the aggressive carbon fiber rear diffuser with quad exhaust tips. Speculating on the engine, hypothetically a 3.5L V6 twin-turbo. With this aggressive stance, it needs the power to match its looks. Focusing on the sleek LED light bar, the roof-mounted spoiler, and the low-profile performance tires. This Liberty Walk-inspired style gives the car a lower center of gravity and allows for much wider performance tires, improving grip and road presence. The rear features a split-level roof spoiler and a massive integrated diffuser. These components are designed to manage airflow and reduce drag, similar to what you see on GT3 race cars. Look at the center exit quad exhaust. In a real-world build, this would likely be a titanium Valvetronic system, allowing the driver to change the exhaust note from a quiet hum to a loud roar at the touch of a button. While the Grandi nameplate is traditionally for luxury sedans, placing it on this aggressive SUV suggests a blend of Toyota's reliability with extreme aftermarket luxury and sportiness. Final thoughts on whether Toyota should actually build this. Is this the best-looking Toyota SUV concept? Let us know in the comments.